Hi, I'm Josh. I work here at Expect Best Web Design and Internet Marketing in Poole, and today we're going to be looking at one of our projects.
Today we'll be looking at 360 Fitness. This is no ordinary fitness company. This is all about the outside and training and building a community. They came to us needing a new logo and brand design, a new website design, a custom booking system, and help to manage their online presence and digital marketing. So to start the project off, we approached the logo and the brand design because we'd need to do this first so we could use this and incorporate it across the entire process of the website, booking system, and everything else that we work on. With this logo design, the client specified that they'd like a logo in a stamp style, so inside of a circle or a rectangle or a square. They want the colour yellow and they would also like it black. So with those parameters, I took the name 360, so obviously 360 being global, being a circle, and I put the little arrows going all the way around outside of the stamp, and I did a nice clean font, easy to read, easy to see from a distance, which is vital because they want it printed on signs, posters, vans. The next stage was the website design. Now the website design needed to be a hub for all things social, fitness, TRX training. So it needed to be clean and simple because his training applies to a very wide range of ages. So whilst designing this, I kept it very clean. So we've got big titles, easy to press buttons, easy time schedules. Everything is very, very clear and all the important information highlighted throughout the design. The design was then taken and used to create the live and functioning site which you can visit today. If you want to check it out yourself, go to 360fitness.co.uk. So the biggest success from this website was the Bespoke WordPress Booking System. Now, the client didn't just want a website with a schedule on it, which people could see. They needed to book online. And what he wanted was the user to scan a QR code, which would be on his van or on a stand that he's made, and they'll go straight to the site and they could book and pay as well. Special prices and automated discounts also needed to be applied to the booking system, depending on who the person was or if they had a discount code. There was also a special membership that you'd pay monthly for. We made sure the bespoke booking system was very straightforward for the user to access. All you need to do is sign in, create an account, then you're able to go and pay and book for the time slot that suits you best. It's also straightforward to check your dashboard, see all your orders, cancel if you need to, see your memberships, subscriptions, and everything. Just making this bespoke booking system fantastic and work seamlessly within WordPress. At Expect Best, we offer a premium hosting service. 360 Fitness chose to go with us for their website hosting. The website has been hosted for about half a year now with no downtime, top speeds, daily backups, UK support, and many, many more features. If you want to read more about our hosting packages, make sure you check out the link on screen now. Now the website's hosted and is live for the public to use. Since it's been live, the website has taken over 500 bookings. And our client has said how much easier it's become to manage these bookings, to handle the money, to cancel, reschedule, and do lots of the admin related work with ease using the new website.
Expect Best are always looking to take on new clients, whether you need help with web design, marketing, online systems, or just lead generation. We are happy to help. There's absolutely no obligations and we have over 300 customers. So if you need help with anything online, please do not hesitate to get in contact with Expect Best through the website or the number on the screen.